Okay, so the first thing that she just did was you washed my hair, right? Like fresh, so that my hair was like freshly washed. And then there's no conditioner in it though, right?
No. The hair has to be completely clean.
Okay, so this is my hair. Completely cleaned, freshly washed, and then right now she's actually putting in the keratin treatment. Let me see if maybe I can get it in the mirror. But usually, how long does the process take for you to do all this?
Well, also it all depends on the client's length of hair and thickness. So I would say with your hair, take 2 hours.
2 hours, okay. Yeah, my hair's like pretty, it's like medium length. It's like halfway down my back, I think.
It's long.
Yeah. I'm trying not to cut it.
I mean, you can always like just trim the end.
Yeah, I have to like since I live now in Woodbridge, but I have to find someone around me who I trust, because the lady that I used to go to, I felt like every time my hair was long and I needed to go for a trim, she would take all of it off, like 3 inches right away.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's like no matter how much I told her, like just a trim.
Yeah, trims are usually either half an inch to an inch, no more than that.
Yeah. What do you like about the keratin?
It's simply 4 easy steps. Just cleanse, apply, blow dry, straighten.
Okay.
Hair in the middle?
Yes.
Okay.
Does it matter? Is it gonna be too permanent or?
No, it's just I always like to ask.
Oh, okay.
Some clients part towards the side because I'm going to blow dry it.
Oh, okay.
So I want to blow dry where you part it, so that way when I straighten it, and you won't have that big hump.
Okay, that makes sense.
So now I'm just going to blow dry.
Okay. My mom got a keratin, I think, like last summer. She spent so much money. She went to the salon, got her keratin, and 2 days later, or a day later, someone pushed her into the pool. Like, yeah, I did, like, pushed her in.
Did the instructor how long you're not supposed to wet it for?
Yeah, and I even told her, it was like right after mine. I was like, Mom, you have to be very careful. Like, you can't wet your hair. And someone was like fooling around. They were like by the pool area, and they pushed her in. Yeah, and with all her clothes, everything. Yeah.
This is right after she got the keratin? So what I'm doing is I'm blow drying the keratin in my hair.
Blow drying the keratin in my hair. Okay. It looks so straight and less frizzy.
We're not even done yet.
I know, and I was looking like before you have blow dried this part, it was already like kind of wavy, like it wasn't even curly anymore.
So now the last step is to straighten time.
Straighten it. Okay. And that's like what finally seals in the keratin?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I need to cut my ends ASAP, right?
Yeah.
When I get back from vacation, I need to do that. This is looking so smooth back there.
It's much more shiny now.
Yeah.
And also within the 24 hours, try not to put your hair behind your ear or any clips, because then it's going to leave a mark. So you just want to let the hair, just let it be for 24 hours.
Oh.
Well, inches.
The what?
Inches.
You ever seen that video where the little girl, she has like just like a little wig on in the car and she snatches it off? And then she starts shaking her hair. She's like, stiff wear. You never seen that? Oh my god, I gotta show you. It's hilarious.
Is it like a little morenita?
Yeah. She's like shaking it. She's like, ooh, you just pulled off your wig on camera? She's like, yep. Almost done. This is step 4. No, I've been forgetting to film. Oops.
You're on time.
So pretty and silky. So all done. So it's just 4 steps, right? So we washed my hair. We then added the keratin. Then we blow dried my hair, and then straightened it.